Occasionally I get asked, what does my setup look like at my place? Well, my studio is a home office working studio. It's where I edit, come up with ideas, live stream. So here's a little behind the scenes of my setup. So this is pretty much where I do almost everything. Where I edit, do my live stream, write, just hang out. Got a big fat window here that gets in the way a lot. But I stream with my Canon M50, and I use the Audio Technica, I think it's ATR 2100, 27-inch monitor. Love the Stream Deck. And when I'm not using it to stream, I actually use it for my shortcuts, for some of the functions that I tend to use more than anything. I've also got a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Love that. Notes. Keep my phone over here. Yes, that is a gaming chair. It was on sale at Staples. What can I say? Extremely comfortable. I love red. Right now I'm using this Falcon Eyes Light. It's at 56. It's only like 40% right now. It's very bright. The rest of the office, though, is I have this really nice comfy chair over here that I can use as another location setup. Huge 24 fan. And then this is just a lot of swag and stuff I've gotten that you can tell I'm a huge Batman fan. But some of this I've gotten from when I was a kid, when I worked in television. That's my robot when I was a kid. Big Lost in Space fan. And then over here, if you can see it, is pretty much where I keep all my gear. Those are the lenses over there. I've got a couple more. I'm shooting with a 22mm lens, and I usually keep a 10 to 18 on my camera when I live stream. But a lot of different bins for batteries, audio accessories, mics, I don't know what all's in there. Different little tripods and things, pieces, a little battery charging station there, lights under there, tripods over in here. And my wife made this, so my office is a corner office in our home. So this is actually, it's not that sexy, but that's actually a curtain that she made that then I can close it, have a little quiet, and then there you go. That's the workstation. So that's my daily setup where I edit, live stream, create, and just kind of goof off sometimes. So let me know if you got any questions about any of the things I just showed you. I'm Kevin. Have a great day.